Welcome everyone to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to improve an old exhaust looking like that to then something that can look like this. So the first thing that I did was to use some fallout remover, you know, things like Iron-X for example. So I let that soak in for a while, and then I just got some hot soapy water and just washed over the rest of it to clean it all off. I then used some tar remover, and this was just to get rid of that caked on tar, and I highly recommend the Auto Smart stuff. It is really good. It just eats away at that tar. Just make sure to rub it in, let it soak, and then wipe or wash it off. Then I used some fine sandpaper, something between sort of 1 to 2,000, just to get rid of the kind of finer scratches, any of the kind of rough surface that was left from damage. So now it was time to make it look the best it can be with a polish, using a dual action machine polisher. I used some metal polish and also a little bit of just sort of higher grade cutting compound. I did it on the main sort of back box body of the exhaust and also tried to focus on the exhaust tip. I then had a Dremel style tool with these little polishing attachments, so then I could get right into the tip of the exhaust to make it look as best as possible. I also used this to just do some of the other areas of the exhaust which are harder to reach with a larger dual action machine polisher. I then just finished off with a quick detailer just to give it a nice little bit extra shine. And then those are the final results. I am really happy with how this turned out. I think it looks miles better than what it did before. It was all like rusty, full of tar, bad scratches. Now it's no means perfect, but compared to where it was, it looks like new to me. If you look up close, there is still some deep scratches in the metal, but I didn't want to go too coarse with the sandpaper in case I made things worse. But the surface now feels really nice, smooth and slick. The chrome finish of the stainless steel is now just popping. It is so nice and shiny. So I'm really happy with these results. Now if you're looking to do the same, I really hope this helps you, maybe to inspire you to do the same sort of thing. Or maybe you just want to use this to help make the tip of the exhaust better. Either way, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave me a like, a comment below, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe for future videos. See you in the next video. Bye.